Today's video is all about solving two-step equations. Let's go ahead and look at 10. When I have number 10, I know my first step is that I'm going to circle x and anything in front of it. I'm going to draw a line. Whatever is next to the circle, which is negative 15 or minus 15, I'm going to have to get rid of it. I'm going to have to make it 0, so I'm going to have to add 15 to both sides. Okay, so when I add 15 to both sides, obviously I know this becomes 0, so I cross it out. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring down 5x equals, and then 35 plus 15 is, of course, 50. And then we're going to divide by 5 on both sides. And the reason I divide by 5 is because I want to get x by itself. That's my whole goal. I'm going to divide by anything in front of x, which is 5. So x is now equal to 10. Alright, let's go on the next page. We're going to go and talk about if it is a fraction. So on number 14, we have x divided by 5 plus 2 is less than or equal to 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle my x along with anything that's involved in it. I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to do the opposite of plus 2, which is minus 2 on both sides. Okay, so I'm subtracting. I know that this becomes 0, so I cross it out. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring x divided by 5 is less than or equal to. Now on this side here, I have a positive 1 and a negative 2, so my signs are different. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract. So 2 minus 1 gives me 1, and the number that is bigger is the sign that I take. So the number that's bigger is 2, so I take a negative. Now, if I'm doing this, what's understood to be in front of x if I don't have a number, and I know that it's 1? And in order to solve, I'm going to go ahead and multiply by the reciprocal. Reciprocal means that instead of 1 divided by 5, I'm going to flip it to be 5 divided by 1. So I multiply by 5 divided by 1 on both sides. Okay, so I'm going to multiply. Then I'm going to go ahead and cross this out because this becomes 1x, which is my whole goal. So x, and then my sign stays the same because this number right here is not negative. So my sign stays the same. I'm not multiplying or dividing by a negative. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and multiply. Negative 1 times 5 is going to give me negative 5 divided by 1. So in the end, it's going to simplify to x is less than or equal to negative 5. Okay.